real good.
Man. Alright guys, so we got a full cat back here, and it's an MBRP exhaust. It goes basically from the tips over here, it comes over here to the H pipe. From the H pipe, it goes down here, connects down to your catalytic converters that are coming down. But what we're gonna do, it's a little bit too quiet for a Mustang, and we're gonna have these get chopped off, one here, and just put almost not even a 45 degree, but just put some sort of piping, so it's 3-inch pipe all the way straight from the cats. And same with this one right here. So make it out a little bit louder and get it nice, you know. Time for some lunch, guys. Welcome back, guys. So as you guys saw, we were at the exhaust shop and we got this thing sounding so good. Those not the catalytic converters, those mufflers, we got them removed out of there, and man, it sounds really good. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go ahead and install these spacers, and these spacers are gonna be about 25 millimeter in width, and they're gonna stance the car out to be a perfect stance. So follow me, I'll show you guys how they look like. So when you get them, they come like this, packaged really nicely. And these are 25 mils, and all they do is you pull off the wheels, you bolt these on using these bolts right here, and then you put your wheel back on and put the nuts from the factory lug nuts that you have over these, and it'll space them out. Gives you a nice stance, and also makes the car look a whole lot more aggressive. So let's get to it.
start her up.
You guys ready? Let's do this.
Test drive?
Test drive time. Hop on in.
Alright.
Alright, let's go see what it sounds like. And what it rides like.
Our little street where we call it our track.
Because nobody's ever on there. So U-turn here.
Well, what are your thoughts so far?
Man, this thing rides amazing, shifts amazing, sounds amazing, the color's amazing, everything's amazing about it.
This is what we like to call our mini
track.
road, test track road that we bring all of our cars there to test them out because no one's ever here. Alright, this time do you want me to be out or inside of the car?
Oh, whatever you want.
Just make sure traction control is really off.
You gotta hold it down for 10 seconds. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think that's 10 seconds.
I mean,
let's try.
I hope you know how to count to 10.
Let's do this. You ready?